In today's video, I will be preparing sago pudding. This is a very easy milk dessert to go after a meal. In today's video, I will be showing you the proper procedure to cook sago for the pudding. Welcome to Daily Recipes, and you will be learning something new today. And now let's dive right in. Firstly, to a hot pan add 2 tablespoons ghee. When the ghee is hot, fry some raisins along with some cashews until they are golden brown. When the cashews turn golden brown, take it out from the ghee and keep aside. To the same pan add half cup of vermicelli and roast it till they are slightly brown. Once done, add 1 cup water and bring to boil. Now add the sago soaked in water for about 4 hours prior preparation. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally. Sago will turn transparent at this stage. Now add a cup of room temperature milk to the same. Make sure not to add hot milk. To this add a pinch of crushed cardamom powder and bring to boil. Once the mixture starts to boil, add half cup of sugar. Now add 2 tablespoons badam drink mix and give it a stir. Lastly, add the fried raisins and cashews and boil for 2 minutes. Now your sago pudding is ready to be served. You may wish to serve it hot or cold. Either ways, this should be delicious. Consider subscribing to the channel to see more like it. Please like the video if you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.